Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Today I'm going to be talking about WcEazy. Is my favorite WooCommerce plugin, and in fact, before I started recording this video, I've actually been using it for possibly the past 3 or 4 months or so right now. And this WcEazy plugin is actually a WooCommerce add-on, but it's not the way that you think it is. Right, so before I dive into WcEazy, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. Right, so here we go. So the first thing about WcEazy, okay, so the thing is, I'm going to be showing you some features, but a lot of times, most of the time, I will be just kind of showing you what's on their website itself and explaining to you what is going on, because setting up all the modules, because I'm actually going to be showing you my live site that actually have this installed, but because I don't use all the modules itself, and I don't want to activate everything and set them all up as well. So I'm just going to be showing you, explaining to you some of the individual modules itself, and kind of showing you, what's the value behind it, right? So the first thing is WcEazy has the auto apply coupon. So what this does is that if you have a current coupon code, you can automatically apply it when people reach the cart or checkout page, right? So that's automatically done for you. You have URL coupons as well. So this URL coupons gives you a applies a coupon when you click on the link itself. When you visit that URL, that coupon code is added into your cart, right? Next, you have the floating cart. Okay, you have the product sticky bar. So floating cart, this is like a widget in there, so when you click on it, it kind of slides out. I will show that to you later. And then you have the product sticky bar. So this one right here, we'll go more in depth into it. Basically, you have a add to cart checkout button, just kind of floating and following you as you scroll up and down. And then you have the one page checkout, and you have the PDF, invoice, and packing slips. So this is for backend, right? So you can see that these are like for front end, conversion or marketing purposes, while this is for your backend, right? So this is PDF, invoice, and packing slip. So this is great for like for example, my business, my team uses this a lot, right? Because they need to print the packing slips or the invoices in the parcel, and ship it out, right? And then you have the coupon generator. Right, so this is for you to create a line of coupons, and then you got buy one get one free deals, right? So buy one get one free deals. Okay, so you can apply a coupon that gives you free stuff as well. And then you have the free shipping bar. Okay, so let me just kind of go through, right? So auto apply coupons, this is quite straightforward. This coupon, you basically just select the coupon that you want, and it will automatically be applied unless the coupon is already used up or whatever it is. So next one is the URL coupons. You have the URL. When people click on it, they will start to they will then be able to apply the coupon automatically. You have the floating cart. Okay, so this one, how it works is okay, let me see. Okay, let me just kind of open up my home page, and hopefully you can see some of the features that I've already added in. Okay, so I do have that free shipping bar, but because I have stuff in my cart right here, so it doesn't show up. So over here, we have this is like the slide out card, but I'm using the Cadence theme card. I'm not using the one from WcEazy, but it's kind of the same thing. It's just kind of slides out, and you can just jump into the checkout page very quickly. But the difference, if if you use WcEazy, they actually give you a floating widget. You can click on it anytime that you want. Okay, and then you have the product sticky bar. So what happens is that when you scroll up and down, this bar right here will stay there. It's a sticky floating bar that kind of follows you everywhere. Okay, next you have that one page checkout. So you get a very clean checkout page like this. And then you have the PDF invoice for WooCommerce, so it's automatically generated for you. Okay, the invoice and the packing slip itself, and then the coupon generator. Right? So this one allows you to generate unique coupons. So if you want to send out coupons to individual unique coupons to your customers, this will be very useful for you. And then you got the buy one get one free deal as well. So this module so you can offer one of the product or different product as a free gift as part of the buy one get one free deal. And then the free shipping bar. So this one, I'm glad that they kind of added this because I requested for this, right? Free shipping bar. So what happens is that you get a bar right there. It gives you a progress bar, right? So for example, free shipping is $200. Then you have $100 in your cart. It will show that 50% of the bar is filled up. So once you complete the entire bar, you are eligible for free shipping. So that's very, very powerful feature. And there's actually one more that they have recently added, but I have not actually updated. They actually have not updated on their website yet. It is called the address book. So I'm very, very glad that they added this feature in, because I was using a free plugin to do this as well. And then what happens is I got to and the free plugin is in fact not as powerful as the one that they have right here, which is pretty funny. Okay, so I was glad because I could then remove that additional plugin and just make use of WcEazy Pro right here. So that's a great thing. So it looks like this over here. So the free one that I was using is called Woo Address Book, I think, or WooCommerce Address Book. So it only allows you to keep an address book for the shipping address, but not the billing address. Okay, so with WcEazy, it gives me the option to have to save multiple addresses for the billing address and the shipping address right here. So that's a amazing plugin, right? So I love it so much. So let's talk a little bit about like why would you want to use this, right? So the first thing is with a lot of other plugins for WooCommerce out there, you end up installing a lot of plugins. So for example, you want free shipping bar, you install one plugin for that. You want buy one get one free deals, you install a plugin for that. You want product sticky bar, you install a plugin for that. You want PDF invoices and packing slips, you install a plugin for that. And all of a sudden you realize that you got 5 or 6 different plugins, whereas if you were to just make use of WcEazy, you just need to install that one plugin. And with this one plugin, you can just enable or disable this is kind of how it looks like, right? So you just enable or disable individual modules and just kind of pick what you want. So as you can see right here, I have auto apply coupon, free shipping bar, address book, and URL coupons. That means I have already eliminated 4 different WooCommerce plugins in my WooCommerce website right here. Okay, so this is great for me. And the thing is, with much reduced plugins, you don't have to install you don't have so many different plugins that you got to update all the time. And also I would everything is just much easier to manage. You have less plugins on your website, and when people ask you, how many plugins you've got, and you tell them, oh, I have 40, and then you're like, wow, that's so much. You have too many. And then whereas if you were to make use of WcEazy, you'll be able to cut that down to like 30 or something like that. So they have 10 modules right now. I think that they have a roadmap somewhere right here. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so they are planning. Okay, so I've spoken to the founder as well. So with WcEazy, their plan is actually to release 50 modules, right? At least 50 modules. So they have 10 right now, and they're going to be working their way towards 50, right? So that's 40 more modules. So they are working on product filter right here. So I'm not really sure what product filter. I guess it's your category page or your store page. You can have some kind of IX filter or something like that. They've got delivery timing and stuff like that in here. Upsells, cross sells, better upsells, better cross sells. So that's good. Pre-order, frequently bought together, WooCommerce order cancel for customers. So this is something that I requested because this is something that I'm using, right? Because then I can reduce more plugins, installing more and more plugins into my WooCommerce website. So so I guess that's all I have to share about WcEazy. I know I'm not going into like the settings and stuff like that. So for example, with the address book, it's pretty much very simple, whether you want to enable the billing and the shipping, or just either or. So you can set that up in the account page or the checkout page as well. You can set up the typography, the text, the styles, whatever it is. So I think that this is very, very simple and straightforward. I don't have to kind of go through everything in here, and you can see that it's very instant, right? So when I click on settings, when I click on back, it's just instant. Everything is just so smooth. And then URL coupons, like auto apply coupons, so you can just kind of pick them all in here. When you enable them, you can also access it from the coupon page itself as well, right? And you can just enable it from there, right? The free shipping bar, that's very simple features in WcEazy. So I guess that's all I have to share. I would say that this is, if you are a WooCommerce user, you are a WooCommerce store owner, this is a must-have. And I'm very, very sure you have a bunch of all these small little tiny plugins that you install. One address book, one floating cart, one sticky bar, one URL coupon, and start to realize that I'm installing too much of this plugins, and WcEazy is just going to make that way easier for you. Okay, so I guess that's all I have to share about WcEazy. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about WcEazy in the comments below. Lastly, if you know anyone who runs a WooCommerce store, be sure to share this video with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.